All right, habit hack 214. Wow. Charlie, 214. We're getting back to old school learning. All right, old school learning. So it was nice when we had guests, but now we're back to regular old guest. Actually, he's not guest, regular old co-host. All right, so I have like 3 minutes. I got things to do today, as I'm sure you do. And if you gave up on your habit, as we learned about yesterday, are you bored? He's the worst co-host, by the way. Today's habit hack 214 is, hey, camera's up here. Camera's up here. Let's pay attention. It's unmeasured. Okay, so here's the thing. Old school learning. Unmeasured money and unmeasured time will always be wasted. That is the truth. That's the truth. If you don't measure your time, you don't measure money, it's going to be wasted. So today's habit hack, super easy. And we're going to get started with this. So like there's a lot of old things that you probably didn't hear because you probably have just tuned in on accident on my little Half the National Average channel. But thank you so much for tuning in. This is Charlie, this is Michelle, and we got 214 habit hacks under our belt, and we are trying to get to 365 just to check it off a bucket list. We're kind of bucket list kind of people. 214, old school learning. This is what we're gonna do. Charlie, pay attention, pay attention. We have 2 segments for 2 days this week that you are going to measure. And so this is what it looks like. You have your measurements. You have 3 8-hour segments every single day. Nobody has more, nobody has less. So can you do this? 2 segments of your 8 hours you are gonna measure. All right? You got it? Don't give me side-eye. It's gonna be easy for him. For me, not so easy. So get your phone out and put it on a timer the moment you wake up. And every hour have it ding. Then get a little card or something and pay attention, pay attention. This is actually show. It's not live, but you know, we're not gonna do it twice. We never do. All right, so for 2 days, do a work day and then do an off day. Don't judge yourself. Don't change your choices. Just capture them. Every hour when you're, what? You have a question? You don't have to judge yourself. Yeah, just do whatever it is that you're gonna do, go ahead and do, okay? So go ahead and mark it, get a little card, write it down. If it's work, write down your work, write down your commute, write down everything. If it's off day, write down your chores, write down toting the kids to soccer camp, if that's what you do, walking this guy. And then at the end of your 2-day time study, one on a work day, one on an off day. Yes, another question? I know all your days are off days. I know that. So you can just do 2 off days, all right? No work days. So after you get done, take a highlighter and then highlight all the areas where there's wiggle room. You got it? So this is old school time study. So we're gonna go ahead and habit hack number 214. We're gonna do some old school time study learning, and you're gonna take 2 of your days and you're gonna measure every single hour. What, another question? You don't have a watch? Okay, we'll get you a watch. We'll get you a watch. We'll get you a watch. I got you a sweater and you don't like it. I don't think you're gonna like a watch. All right, you guys, so take 2 of your 8-hour segments. The other 8 hour you should be sleeping. So that's it, that's it. Habit hack 214. Let's get on it and I'll tell you why. I'll tell you what you're gonna do with that. All right, you guys, signing off. Charlie, say goodbye.